Hello, hey guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. Fixing the issue, the facing the problem. YouTube app video play, but any error show problems. And error show problems. Video play. The press something with wrong type to try, type to ready. The error show problem. Different video play, but any same error show problems. But any problem, the update and the solution update is now to watching step by step the problem. First of all, the one step, the open the Play Store. iPhone, Android, same processing, iOS and devices. Selected and search for YouTube. Search update. Update the show. Update is starting now. Well, devices different updated, but any beta update. The update completed and two-step the internet connection the checking. Wi-Fi router completed 10 second has been refreshed now and while devices air mode has been 3 second has been refreshed now and the press the app has been app information the selected and short time has been permission the selected permission the selected locations has been allowed now location has been allowed now and imported the still updated the checking has been yellow line the server has been crashing